Hi guys, welcome again. In this video, we'll create one small example on Python NumPy. We have already covered one session on introduction of NumPy, discussed about several features and the advantages of using NumPy. So in this video, we'll create a small example and demonstrate how we'll use it or create a program in Python NumPy. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So here I am using online ID because I don't want to install any application in my system. If you really want to use this, you can refer this URL. I will also include this URL in my description tab, so it will be easy for you to access. So for creating any program, we need to import the library as NumPy, and we are using here small abbreviated name of NumPy, that is NP, because when we are working with the big program and we have multiple lines of code, and when we are calling NumPy several times, that time it's always important to use this type of structure. Otherwise you have to write 5 characters in a length for importing the library. So I'm going to create one array here, or variable, you can say p equal to np, that is abbreviated name array, that is dot array, and round bracket. Okay, inside this we are going to declare some array. So first array is 2, 6, 4. Then second I am going to declare here as a 5, 8, 9, and third I am going to declare here as a 1, 8, 5. Now let's print the value. So our value is print array is, so printing array value, you can directly print the value, or either you can provide the statement, so which looks very efficient when we are calling this or providing this. Then print the name of array which we have declared, that is b, and if you want to print other value in next line, so you can add here print round bracket and /n. So /n will help you to print next data in next line. So because of that we are using here as a /n. So let's copy and paste this, and so I will need 3 times. Cool. So in the last one I don't need to print because I am not going to use for this. So first it will print our array, it will print all these, then array with a min. B minimum function. Now we have to add array min. We have to add here as a np dot a min, that is array minimum, and inside the round bracket we are going to declare b comma first. So it will print first array with minimum value. Now let's do that same for 0, because array always start from 0 to n. So here we are going to call as a array with amin function again, but this time we are going to take a different array, that is np dot amin array minimum and b comma 0. You can add any value as per your need or as per your requirement. So this time we are going to call maximum. So array with a max function, and inside this we are going to call as a np dot amax, out of which we are going to call the complete value from the array, that is b. So let's run this and see the result. Now you can see first array, it will print everything whatever value is available. So because we are calling this one, we need all these things. A minimum 251, 2, that is for all the array 2, this one is 5 minimum and this one is 1. Array with a min 1, 6 and 4. Now you can see here maximum value is 9 out of all the array. So this is how we can call the array minimum and maximum, and we are just declaring or seeing the value how to create a first program in NumPy and calling the data from array. So this is all about first program of NumPy. Hope you liked it and understand it. If you really love this content, kindly share with your circle and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.